Gardens are a great way to spruce up your outdoor area. Even better, growing fruits and veggies makes for a delicious harvest. Here are our top 5 crops to grow for both novices and experts. Starting at number 5, bell peppers. Bell peppers come in all kinds of shapes and sizes. They're the perfect addition to a vegetable garden, even though they're botanically a fruit. If you're a beginner, don't worry. Bell peppers are simple. All you need is the right temperature, good soil, and a little attention. Bell peppers like hot temperatures and prefer at least 6 hours of direct sunlight. Keep the peppers watered, but make sure you don't leave the soil soggy. Number 4 is lettuce. Lettuce is the perfect vegetable for a low-maintenance, high-yield garden. Unlike other vegetables, leafy greens don't mind cooler temperatures or a little bit of shade. If you missed the early spring window, you can also plant the greens in the fall. Even if you put lettuce in the ground in the summer, just ensure it's in a shaded area. Once the lettuce starts to grow, pick the leaves at your convenience and the plant will continue to produce more. Number 3 is carrots. Carrots are a low-maintenance root vegetable, perfect for a cooler climate. This vegetable doesn't mind the occasional frost. While these crops are easy to grow from seed, they do take some time to actually grow, but it's worth the wait. It's important to make sure the soil is organic and natural because the roots absorb every bit of nutrients around them. Number 2 is cucumbers. Cucumbers are refreshing, crisp, and versatile. Additionally, you'll get a high yield with little effort. On average, a cucumber plant produces 3 pounds of fruit per summer. Like bell peppers and tomatoes, cucumbers are botanically a fruit, but they're typically treated like a vegetable in the culinary world. To make harvesting cucumbers easier, grow them on a trellis. This reduces the risk of mold or rot, and it maximizes your garden space. And finally, number 1 is zucchini. Get ready for a versatile, low-maintenance, and high-yielding vegetable for your garden. Zucchinis can grow in various soil conditions. However, it's important that you have ample space for even just one plant because zucchini plants are known to grow rampantly. On average, a zucchini plant will produce about 10 pounds in a season. These 5 crops will surely be fun to watch grow, and even better, they'll be delicious on your dinner plate. Try to plant 1 or all 5 and let us know how they perform in the comments. For more information on the innovations shaping our world, visit tomorrowsworldtoday.com, check out the Tomorrow's World Today Facebook and Instagram pages, or subscribe to our YouTube channel.